and I'm saying, Miss Sorry, and I'm Sumna, dear Bewo. I say, Bibia Bessimimu, and Menema Meno. I feel they were more pata. Me say, me boo food, and then I say, like Bibia Bessim, when I'm beside us, I wouldn't yansa. We will be a winning yansa. So when him yansa me pe me bisa one question, give me an answer, pen me, me bisa and say, Who bear we as a baby, what Tiffy Unsha, oh, manana, said there me wobino. Na me bisa and say, What for be back we as what for neighbor be back. Say, oh, wish I mammy or nibi unto one man and a bascuda, why a bidder. After not, when I'm so when you be that I don't and cousin another in every what no more show more school, when you more beer, when you beer keke, and so I show more school.
What credibility does he even have? Was it not this man that couldn't procure ambulances? They stole over 200 million. You know, NDC, especially the Mahama, has never been the option, and Mahama is not the option. He got no plans. Mahama was talking about Kenke coming to, bring Kenke down to 1 CD, football, cement, and all of that. But the voice, if you look at the things that he was saying, all those things in his manifesto, if he even applies it, is he going to bring Kenke down? Nothing. All Mahama wants is just, Nanado used to like, Rollins served 2 terms, Kufuor served 2 terms. He himself said his 2nd term, and it's only Mahama that had only 1. So he just want to come back. That's it. And talking about triggering the constitution, I won't be surprised because Mahama has shown us that he's greedy. He's cunning. He's a con man, a sweet talker, and a rough, like rude as well. Like I'm saying, he's very rude as well. And it's so shocking that someone will wake up in the morning, have their shower, go to the post and cast their vote for Mahama. Like seriously? All he just wants to come is just empty the public purse, complain, lament, create, loot, and share. Nothing else. Try to fulfill just to prove Nanado wrong. That, you tease me about me being the only 1-term president. I just want to come back. That's the only thing that Mahama wants to fulfill. And I saw a video during the campaign, and he said that he wants to leave a legacy for his sons. Go and find that video. The voice, I will send you that video. He mentioned it. And when he said that, the chiefs sitting there, their facial expression changed. This man is not coming for Ghanaians. He is selfish, he's greedy, he's corrupt. And the thing is, the voice, this man got himself involved in the world's biggest aviation scandal, Airbus. The voice, do you think World Bank, do you think in all those international, internationally, how did they see Mahama? A whole president being involved in corruption, the world's biggest aerospace scandal. You understand my point? They don't trust him. They will do business with him, but they will do business with him with 2 eyes. So it's even a non-starter for him. So for people to even go to the polls, vote for him is a big mistake. Mahama is greedy, and I know he's going to trigger the constitution for his greediness and selfishness. But we Ghanaians, we are going to put our foot down. We are going to organize demonstrations back to back to stop him. And he can't do that in his bedroom. He has to come back. And unfortunately, I know some of the idiots, gullible supporters will go and say, "Oh, we want him to continue." Yes, and he's a finance, and yeah, he's been appointed as a finance minister. NDC is a joke. They are joking with Ghanaians because they know they are gullible, those who voted for him. And he doesn't have reputation. He got no reputation. He said he's double tongued. He says this tomorrow, today. And was it not the same person who said cocoa bag the government should be paying 6,000 plus. We are looking forward to that. The Voice. I don't appreciate MPP sitting behind, waiting, relaxing till people. No, I think we should start mounting the pressure now, because they are not even 1 week in the office and they've started going the opposite side of what they told us. We should hold them by their balls.
Na no kra no odi afuo mu niema kra gu ma ebesei na ukoyi ni se as a finance minister no enti saa akwa we credibility pa ben wo wa obetimi adi wanim se wo de international community akope bibia bo man no mu enti me da meti se wo yi ni as a finance minister na me ka se oh papa we were failing 80%. Ni 4 years no de kan failing 80% because obi amana koya finance minister enya ato Forson because ono ankasa ne nsa no magnet ewo ho dada enti won ko hwan abrof ayinu western ne ye donor countries ne omo buan ni nyina no they know this guy before enti kosi broni no sabi onya kwase aso be makromfo aba be se oba odi ni sika man so mfa mebobosia enti no Ghana ye se said ye wa ahuchirim ne ye komunso enya ade a ebeboa enti papa no so ti amanfo futu a nka ato Forson nka ompa ba bi mfa no nhye aha na me de me huni say the Voice de me huni say Mahama no ope omo a zoom kra no ofre na o say finance minister oh yeah me boy me na me frɛ o sika we china fakọ ha yes say because omo obetimi control omo because okoyi obi ti say Spio Garbrah ne sampanyimfo ni bia ontimi commando omo because omo nim die ni wosoro but oyi akwala a ono okuta ne bag dia a master say do obeye because boa no omo no omo bebo kro mo no betimi control mo mo ma ye de ono pe na mo nkoyi obi a oka nipa ne edwene a nipa ne nim die wosoro chen Mahama obeyi ni so meye finance minister na so de ne beto important ministry bi a Mahama no betimi adidi afiri ho because say na waba no de nti ame de mu se de nti ode ato Forson abehwe no krono a person ne nabusuafo beka bomu finance ministry wonti na ode ato Forson abehwe because ato Forson ye na kra o ya kra keto atese ne ba ono na de ne beto so nti opedo betumi control easy cheap nti na ode na kwhye ho na nya bibia nti a aha enu
nti Ghana de ba bebre o bre na ba bebre o Ghana uba konjanu so no undi 1 month ye 7 January na mudi osiso u ka share say ye ba no mo basco a mo fa duane mbra wo uba beton ECG ma private center o de ba be ye business because ye nim so ya tontonfo anya tontonfo asonti nto tama ha ba manadamfo nti Ghana de ye Ghana fo nkasa ye nim se Mahama no onye but ye dinaba